Hello everyone and welcome to another Nate's Numismatics. It's been a few weeks since I've made a video, and I apologize for that. I've had work has started up again, and finals have been this week, and so I've been pretty busy. But I'm back today with another video. Now today we are in the Slab lab. I'm going to be showing you guys how to buff out scratches on your third-party grader slabs. And we'll take a look here real quick, and you can see there's a lot of scratches on that. That's no good. You can't get a proper picture through all of those scratches. So what you're going to want to do is buff them out. You can do that using any headlight polish, and I use this plastics and just a rag like this. And let's start with this monkey. And what you want to do is have the cloth, and you'll not spray, but put just a little bit on the rag. There we go, just like that. And then you're really just gonna have at it. You take the stuff and you start wiping. And the longer you can do this, the better. And it will eventually polish out all of the scratches on the slab if you do it for long enough. It'll take a while, so I'm probably not going to show it off all here, but it does significantly improve the visibility of the slab, even if done for just a short while. I'll do some on the other side as well. If you run out, that's fine. You can just put some more on there. It won't hurt the plastic any. And there we go, we're right back at it. This one that I'm doing right now is actually a new slab. I just got it in today. And it's a sample holding a 2016 10-1. It's the bimetallic monkey commemorative. I actually haven't looked too much into the slab yet. I just bought it, and it came the day after it was shipped, actually, because it was just from a few miles over. So I'm excited to take a look at that and really see what that label says. I'll report back later, of course. Anyway, once you are satisfied with the job you have done buffing this, just give it a few more. There we go. Then you'll take a corner of the rag that you haven't used and wipe off the excess. And from that, hopefully, if all went well, there's still a little bit of residue on that slab, so let's just wipe that off real quick. it's looking a lot better already. And you can, if you hold it a certain way, you can still see the scratches that are there, but even with just a few minutes, it's looking a lot better. The longer you rub it with the stuff, the plastics, the headlight polisher, the better, smoother, clearer your slab will be. Now, obviously, you're going to want to avoid getting any stickers that are on the outside, so just run your finger along the slab, and if you see any stickers that are on the outside, you'll want to miss those and focus only on the part that actually needs the polishing. And that's especially something you want to take special care of on those old NGC fatty slabs. Yeah, that's pretty much it. You'll just want to apply, and you'll need to have plenty of patience. Otherwise, you might end up with a half-polished slab, and so maybe that's all you need. But the longer you apply it, the longer you polish it, the better. And you can't really over polish these, and so there's no worry there. Anyway, that's about it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want to see more coin content from me. Again, I'm work has started up again, so I'm working pretty much every day, Monday through Saturday, for quite some time. Early morning to 5 or 6 o'clock or so. So I may be a little bit slow with the uploads, but I will always upload more. It's just a question of when. Like if you liked this video, dislike if you disliked it. Comment and just let me know anything you want to know more about my coins and about coins in general, not just my coins, and I'll talk about them. And remember my video from a few weeks ago? I've only got one entry, if I remember correctly, in the 50 sub giveaway. And once I get 50 subscribers, then I will give away that book on the Mexican coinage to one of the people who enters into my who enters using the way I mentioned in that video. Anyway, that's it for today's video, guys. I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.